Why is there no need for pesticides when using Growers Gold, as pests are the main issue of the farmer? Research shows that up to 90% of pesticide use is a direct result of using synthetic chemicals on your farm, bringing nature out of balance. Pests are nature's cleanup crew that seek out weaker plants, not performing well. Plants with full health have natural resistance to insect attack. Plants given synthetic chemicals often look good to the human eye, however they can be bloated and watery from the unnatural influence, and this makes them weaker and attacked by certain insects. Research shows much harm is done through the use of pesticides. Not only does it kill the targeted insects, they also kill many beneficial ones. The astonishing thing is, for every one type of pest insect there is 1,700 beneficial types of insects. The nature of pest insects is they breed very quickly and recover much faster than beneficial insects, so by spraying with pesticides, suddenly you will have more pests again and much fewer of their natural predators. Beneficial roles that were being performed before spraying are now diminished. In effect, by using pesticides, you are increasing the problem significantly and will begin a cycle of continually needing them. The real solution is to target plant health at the foundation of growing, which is your soil. Growers Gold builds soil health.